What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So we are at 10,100 subscribers, and again, you guys are amazing. So I have two dividend growth stocks, real estate investment trusts that I bought today to replace store capital. And I did a previous video on these guys, but I'm going to go a little bit in depth and in detail as to why I'm buying them and why I bought them today. And I'm going to buy more. So these guys have solid dividend growth and they're way down. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these two REITs out right now. So the first real estate investment trust I'm going after is Innovative Industrial Properties. Sitting at 92.15, way down before the pandemic hit. I mean, look at this. It was 275, and now it just hit a major drop. So it's starting to get a correction, it appears. Dividend yield is 7.79%, a PE ratio of 18.18, average volume 332.96K, market cap 2.59 billion US dollars. Year range is 87.47 to 88.02, major drop. Day range is $92.30 to $94, and its previous close was $92. This is a stock that I'm capitalizing on, and I had to do it. You know, I sold it for a huge profit when it was way up here during the pandemic. And guess what? I'm back at it buying it. So let's check these guys out. So their portfolio is comprised of specialized real estate lease state licensed Mary Jane operators. These facilities are mission critical for their operations and are located in states with established regulatory environments. So they have Arizona. They're big in California, Colorado, Florida, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Nevada, New Jersey, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Texas, Virginia, and Washington. So here's the thing. Every time I check these guys out and go on their website, it's almost like they acquire a new company or have everything set up. So here's the thing. So there's companies like Tilray and all these other companies that people tried to invest in that were Mary Jane companies that really didn't do anything. I don't like NRZ ETF. I think it's a joke. I don't think it's way too volatile for me. Dividend distribution sucks. But these guys are a landlord. So you have to pay your landlord. It doesn't matter if you're doing things successful as a company or if you suck as a company, you have to pay your landlord. So, you know, some companies are struggling up, down, right, and left, but they still have to pay their landlord. So these guys are capitalizing on that because they are a landlord. So it doesn't matter what situation's going on. These people that are paying rent, they have to pay them rent, or else they ain't going to be around. So Innovative Industrial Properties is a specialized real estate investment trust based on the Mary Jane farms. So that's what I like about these guys. I'm going to go over one more thing with these guys. So they're the pioneering real estate investment trust for the regulated Mary Jane industry. Founded in December 2016, they are the first publicly traded company in the NYSE to provide real estate capital to the regulated Mary Jane industry. So here's the thing. I don't have time for real estate. I'm busy. I'm in grad school. I just started travel nursing. I invest in real estate investment trusts because of that. So 90%, as they say, as a REIT, one of our attributes that we must distribute through a dividend to our stockholders at least 90% of our taxable income. Okay? So that's one thing. They're new. Now they blew up like crazy, which is like insane. Now they're starting to get a correction. So let me show you their revenue and their dividend history. So check this out. This is their revenue in millions US dollars. 2016, it was less than 1. 2017 was 642. 2018, 14.78, 2019, 44.66, 2020, 116, 2021, 204. That's a huge increase in revenue from 2016 to 2021. So you have to pay your landlord or else you ain't going to be a company. So a lot of these people pay rent, they grow their goodies, and then they have to pay their landlord, who is IIPR. This is why I like these guys. It's like land. Gladstone land is specialized, but dividend growth is not too attractive. So let me show you their dividend history right now. Now, this is a risk. I know the dividend yield's high. I do like high yield dividend stocks. Don't get me wrong. I did buy some growth stocks. I like to have a good balance in between of, high yield stocks that are dividend growth stocks and solid growth stocks like McCormick and JP Morgan and other stocks like that. So I like the balance. So let's check out their dividend history. So check out this insane dividend growth. 2017, 15 cents. 2018, 25 cents to 35 cents. 2019, 45 cents to 60 cents to 78 cents. Then 2020, $1 to 106. Then 2021, 132 to 140 to 150. Then to 175 to 180. So the payout ratio is a little bit high. Again, you're a real estate investment trust. They're going to be challenged with this. We are not in a recession, by the way. They're going to be challenged big time. So, the market appears to start having a correction. These guys are way down. I thought they were way overvalued in the beginning, but now I'm going for the kill. So the number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 14. The annualized dividend growth in 5 years is 58.57%. So if you bought one share, you made $7.20 with a 7.81% dividend yield. Let's check out the next dividend stock. Next one is National Retail Properties. I just did a video on these guys. They're sitting at $39.22 with a 5.61% dividend yield, a PE ratio of 22.97, average volume 1.00 million, market cap 6.95 billion US dollars. G range was 38.91 to 48.90. Day range was 39.12 to 40.13. Its previous close was 39.87. So the real estate sector took a huge hit during the pandemic, and they're still trying to fix themselves. They haven't. So this is why I'm capitalizing on these guys. So I'll go over them real quick. So they're in 48 states with a 99.1% occupancy. They have 3,305 properties, 380 plus tenants. So some of their properties are 7-Eleven, Mr. Car Wash, Camping World, LA Fitness, GPM Investments, Dave & Buster's, Flynn Restaurant Group, that's huge, Taco Bell and Arby's. AMC, they have 20 properties. Sunoco, they have 59. Mavis Tire Express Services, 133. Bob Evans, 106. So here's the thing. These guys appear to have a lot of companies that they're a major landlord to that appear to be pandemic proof and recession proof. Now, LA Fitness is a different story in the fitness, industries and Lifetime Fitness, but everything else appears to be pretty strong. And then you can blame, AMC as well. But guess what? These guys are doing very well. And their revenue is doing very well, which I'll go over. And I'll go over their dividend history. So check this out with their revenue. This is in millions US dollars. 2015, 482, 2016, 533, 2017, 584, 2018, 622, 2019, 670, 2020, 660, and then 2021, 726. So that's a huge increase in revenue. So they're very similar to Store Capital, and this is why I bought these guys. They're almost like a mirror image to those guys with revenue and dividend growth, which I'll go over. We'll start in 2010, it was 38 cents, 2011, 39 cents, 2012, 40 cents, then 41 cents in 2013, 2014, 42 cents, and 2015, 44 cents, then 2016, 46 cents, 2017, 48 cents to 50 cents in 2018, and then 2019, 52 cents. 2020, they were a little bit at a standstill. And then in 2021, they had 53 cents. Then they just jumped to 55 cents. So their payout ratio is 68%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Annualized dividend growth in 5 years is 2.56%. And if you bought one share, you made $220 with a 5.51% dividend yield. So I'm trying to like do this video, and still post COVID, I have this terrible dry cough and I'm still congested. It's been like 2.5 weeks since I had COVID. So I'm still going to try to do these videos. I mean, I had to pause a few times and then go back to my video. But if you guys are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Again, you guys are amazing. 1,100 subscribers. Take care and have a good one.